We are so excited. Our indoor garden from RAINPOINT has just arrived. We've never used an indoor garden, so this is all new to us. But this kit comes with everything we need. It came with the growing sponges, the domes. It has quick instructions with pictures, which were very helpful, that tells you how long you need to soak your sponges and how you assemble them. It tells you how long to soak your seeds as well. We're going to start with cilantro, spinach, and basil and see how that goes. In the beginning, we had the light too high and reread the directions. The light needs to be 3 to 4 inches away from the top of the plant. And then we added the plant food that they included, really clear instructions of how much you need to add. And we need to do that, it looks like every week or 2 weeks. But the instructions are very clear. We already have sprouts. It took just about a week, and we have some basil and cilantro growing. No spinach yet. So if you're looking for a fun way to have a garden all year round, I would sure check out this indoor garden from RAINPOINT.